Salutations, World Wide Web, YouTubers, large subscribers, guys. It's me, Marlon Bennett, and I'm back for the last getting started step-by-step inside the 7-second share code video before we unlock the actual advertising resources over on 1millionwaystomarket.com. I want to thank you guys, all of you guys who've joined. I want to thank you guys who just took the time to go through the pages, vet the systems, learn more about what's really going on inside of the 7-second share codes funnel systems. So guys, what we're going to do in this video, let's talk about what it is you've accomplished up until now, right? You've really accomplished quite a bit, and you really should be proud of yourself if you've gone through this process, if you stood over my shoulders and watched me put these videos together. You should be really excited about it. And I'm proud of you too. Okay? So, now, guys, no matter what funnel it was you came through, that process started what we like to refer to as a lead capture page. And the purpose of this page is so we can go out and we can prospect. We can start using that ad traffic to get in front of the ideal audience. And in this instance, it's people who want to work from home and make money on their PC. Remember, guys, if you've got an internet connection, right, and you have a funnel system and you have ad traffic, then you can do exactly what it is I've been doing probably at this point for the last 7.5, 8 years, maybe more, right? Okay, so we're firing up the traffic once we get over inside the advertising, and we're driving that traffic into our lead capture page for whatever funnel system you could have come through. You have a corresponding lead capture page. And when you start advertising, this is where you're going to send that advertising to so that your prospects can come through your funnel system. When they give you their name and email address down here, I'm not going to do it now, but they'll land on your corresponding thank you bridge page. Okay? And when they land on your corresponding video bridge page for whatever system you came through, they'll get to learn a little bit more about the system itself. For those who are so inclined and they've stayed long enough for the miracle to happen, they'll come through the entire funnel. They'll at least vet it. Okay? Some will, some won't. So what? Next. The point is we can advertise, we can prospect 24/7, 365 without ever having to miss a beat, because we don't have to talk to anybody. We let our lead capture pages and our video sales letters, VSLs, or thank you bridge pages do all the work. And as people start to join, guys, you start making affiliate commissions throughout the entire funnel. Okay? Now, remember, guys, on the other side, this is jump back one. As people start funneling through this system, they're going to land on your page, right? But they also, guys, let me see, can I get it to leads leave? I hope I can. They also, guys, are now on your list manager. If you set up the list like I told you to do, they're on your list manager. And inside your list manager are a series of emails, okay? You can't set up a follow-up email campaign, what we like to refer to as a drip campaign, that goes out to your prospects as they're funneling into your funnels and coming onto your list. But you can still create a list, and you can broadcast that list at any time or day or night using the broadcast feature, which we're going to start to cover in some videos that's coming up. So now that you know that, you will find your corresponding list, my email series. In this instance, guys, we know that it's the club, right? It's the 7-second share codes club. This list is already integrated with this lead capture page that's tied into this bridge thank you page. And so when people come onto my list, my system automatically, guys, sends an email to my potential prospect. I'm going to send myself a test email, and you can do that, and I always suggest you guys do, so you guys can see what the email looks like, because I gave you, right, a follow-up email campaign. At this point, guys, it's probably got over 30 emails in it. I'm still tweaking some of them out, but it's ready to go. And you can import that through the email list share code that I gave you guys. So now, guys, that we know that this is what's happening in the background, let's go over to my Gmail and see can we find that email. And there it is right there, guys. Welcome to the club. Okay? Welcome to the club. That's the email that my prospects, your prospects, will get as soon as this is the first email. Okay? And remember, we covered everything that I'm going over right now. So this is exactly what you're able to do now. And what we want to do is make sure that we're constantly re-engaging with the prospects that we're bringing into our funnel systems. And we're sharing new, creative, innovative ways for them to build their businesses, right? Bigger. And you'll meet a lot of great people on this journey, guys. And you're going to meet some people who are going to be able to share some things with you, right? That you can use, right? It's one big party, guys. And it's just 6 degrees of separation. And you can do it all, right? When you get inside of this incredible funnel system. So that's how it all works, guys. And if you're so inclined, hopefully you have either finished this process, you're in the middle of finishing this process, or you're going to start this process right now today. But I can tell you this, guys, there's not many simpler and easier ways to make extra income working from home than affiliate and email marketing. Thanks so much, guys. Get prepared because the next day I'm going to fire up the ad traffic. We're going to open up the new 1 Million Ways to Market website. I've already started moving the actual ad traffic resources. I moved them out. I got a new 1millionways-to-market.com. If you guys go there, you'll see it is under construction, but it's fully functional. And in the next video, we're going to open up and start talking about 1 Million Ways to Market and how you guys can actually start advertising your lead capture pages or whatever it is you want to market and promote every single day using the ad traffic resources inside of 1 Million Ways to Market. Thanks so much for sitting in. I appreciate you guys so very, very much. Love you guys, and I'll meet you guys in that video.